You're gonna cast into that big hole there, and that's where the pike are at. I'll let you know when to stop. This is Paige's first time ever pike fishing. Keep going, keep going.
Pike are on the water.
There you go, that's it. Stay right there and cast as far upstream as you can.
Ouch, I got bit by something.
And then reel in. Don't lose my pole. Oh, good cast. Got a stick, didn't you? That's all right. It's okay. No, try to cast 2 times farther than what you just did.
I have to cast further?
Oh yeah, you want to get way up there.
You think I'm skillful?
Oh, I do think you're skillful. I was close. You can do it.
Nothing. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
No, I got it.
It's internal. There you go, you got it. Good job.
Got a weed.
I'll get it for you. There you go.
It's hot out.
Yeah. Good day for pike fishing.
No. Good day for beach.
Perfect. Good cast.
I don't think there's any fish here.
That's good. Stay right there. That's good now. Cast over on that left side where the water, the current's moving some. Good cast. You got one? Oh yeah, you got one. Good one. Good fish, Paige. That's all right. You don't have to back up now. Just keep reeling. Oh man, that's a good pike. Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
That's a big one, isn't it?
He's big.
Good job. All right, good. You can put your rod tip down.
Oh, what's wrong with him?
He's been fighting too many other pike, it looks like.
Where'd he go? Oh, we should have brought a net.
Yeah, that's all right. There's your first pike, Paige.
He's big.
Yeah, that's a nice one. We're gonna set him right here. Here, I'm gonna pick him up for you.
But you're all dirty.
It's okay. Hand, one hand right here, one hand right there. There you go. Good job, good job. Oh man.
He's stuck.
Paige, hey, Paige.
What?
Good job.
We gotta fix
Just
him.
let him go. You let him go.
So scary.
Here.
I don't want to touch him.
You don't want to touch him?
Just let him go back in. Maybe the next one. Oh, he's scared. Is he dead?
No, he's fine.
He can get over there.
Yeah, you can. He's just, here, he needs a little more encouragement. Yeah, he's gonna go down, it looks like. That's okay. Hey, good fish, Paige.
He's stuck.
Hey, that was a nice one, wasn't it? Hey, good job. I'm proud of you. Did you say I'm mean?
No, he's mean.
That fish?
I think I would have been more up to pull him if he didn't have that red dot on him.
Yeah. They're all gonna be a little bit squirmy like that.
I want Starbucks. Can we get Starbucks? I feel like I deserve Starbucks.
Here, watch.
No.
I need to show you something. Want me to show you something to help you?
Pause, officer.
Okay. I won't show you anything to help you.
Bonk.
Different type of cast this time, Paige.
There's only one type of cast.
But there's another. You can go back like this and then throw it like that, you know?
Nope.
You should try it. You're right-handed.
Highway or the highway.
Right here. Flick it. Okay?
I'll flick you.
Here we go.
This is on the eyeball. I don't know why I put mascara on. I have mascara.
I told you not to. Pretty good. You do want to get her farther though. Well, there's more fish up there. It's okay.
Dragonfly. I know what I'm doing.
Got one. Oh, big fish. Pull the other side so you don't hook me. There you go. Doing a good job. Keep doing that. Yeah, it is. Rod tip down. Rod tip down. You're doing good. It's okay. You're doing a good job. All right, rod tip up now. Get it. Oh, yeah, you got a big one. It's okay. Oh, wow. That's a nice one. Yeah. Oh, man. All right, rod tip down so you don't get the lure up towards you. It's okay. He might even beach himself. There we go. Look at that. That's good. You can put the slack. Yeah, that's a nice pike though.
Here, take him off.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll take a selfie with him so you can hold him. And then I don't have to find him.
Okay.
Ew, that's a bad one. I gotta go on this side.
Oh boy. This will probably be the thumbnail of the video, babe. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at you. You got mud on your face. Here, I'll let him go. There you go, fishy.
Oh.
It's okay. Look at him go. Hey.
He's a jerk. I don't like that.
Hey, you did a good job. I'm proud of you.
You know how bad that's gonna make my acne?
Oh my, you think this doesn't happen to me all the time? Hey, good job.
You got a beard to cover it. Hold on. Can't do that, bud.
Hey, you got 2 pike though. Nice ones.
Spiffy than you.
You are spiffy.
Although the pike smacked me in the face and I wasn't. Oh, that was soft.
Well, you did hook him in the mouth.
Huh?
You did hook him in the mouth.
Okay, but he didn't need to slap me. Rude. Okay, do I get Starbucks now?
For why?
Because I got 2.
We'll see. If you get one that's bigger than 24 inches, yeah.
How big was that one?
Yeah, maybe 22. You're doing all right.
I'm doing better than you.
Oh, I'm not fishing, silly. Doing a good job.
Ow! Thought you got on my finger.
Good thing you're not wearing nails. Hold up. We got a tangle. You see that right in there?
You take this, I'll take this. Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
I can't see you in it.
Just touch the screen, you'll be able to see. You also have sunglasses on, so it's hard.
Oh, I see you now. This is going to be some prime video right here. I think I should be as a photographer.
Really? You're going to follow us around in waders the whole time while we fish?
If you give me pink ones, I can
If I
bedazzle.
buy you pink waders, you'll go fishing with us?
Maybe.
Alright.
Hey, how'd you end up stealing the pole from me?
You gave it to me.
Not willingly.
Yes, you did.
Me. Bum. I would have caught one by now. If I put my knees in here, will that be okay?
What do you mean, in the water?
Yeah.
You should be alright.
If we spot right here, guys, there's a little itty bitty crayfish. He's tiny. I don't know if y'all can see him.
You see it? Crayfish?
Yeah, he's tiny. Is this waterproof?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a really small one.
There's baby crayfish, guys. There's one right there and right there. Ah! They moved. He's still right there. He's chilling. Oh, he's gone. There he is. This is like the land of the baby crayfish,
There's
guys.
one, babe.
Oh crap, sorry.
Okay, don't worry about it. This is a pretty good one.
Morgan's trying to act like he is getting a bigger pike than me. He's gonna be sadly mistaken. He's not strong enough to reel it in. He has to take breaks. Unlike me, I'm the pro. Oh yeah, this is just a baby. Nothing compared to mine.
Towards you, babe?
Please don't.
Look at that baby. Look at that little baby pike.
Oh my goodness, he's bigger than mine. I lied.
Yeah. That's a good pike.
How big is he?
Yeah, this is probably a 24-incher.
Oh, hush, you're just saying that.
It probably is. Want me to measure him?
I hope this one doesn't slap me.
He won't slap you.
The last one did. I'm all wet now. They're like little snakes. Oh, Morgan's on the move. I can't walk in waders.
There we go.
Okay, come. Morgan and his fish. He's lying though, I actually caught it. How long are you gonna stay there? Don't put him that way because he can't swim good. His face is bleeding. Poor fish. Woo! This fish. These fish are mean. I don't like them. You think if they could be a little cuter for how mean they are.
Pretty slick.
Oh, they're pretty mean.
See him right up there?
He's a bum. He doesn't even know how to fit. I mean,